Hello and welcome to PassFab channel. If you've ever forgotten your Android phone unlock password or PIN, it can be very frustrating. You don't need to discard your phone if this happens. In this video, I'm going to show 2 ways to unlock your Android device if you've forgotten the PIN, password, or code. We're going to start with the first method, which is to perform a device factory reset. First, boot your phone into recovery mode. If you use a Samsung device like this one, press the volume down and power keys at the same time. The shutdown menu will appear, and then the screen will turn off. When the screen goes off, keep holding the power button, but switch your other finger from the volume down button to the volume up button. After a few seconds, the Samsung logo will appear. Release all the buttons, and the Android recovery menu will show up. Use the volume up and down buttons to move through the options, and use the power button to confirm. Scroll down to Wipe Data/Factory Reset, select it, and confirm. When you go back to the menu, scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition. Confirm again. Then, from the menu, select Reboot System Now and wait a few seconds. Your phone will restart, and you'll see the welcome screen to set up your device. But there is something you might meet. It's called Factory Reset Protection. This is when the phone will ask for the previous PIN or the Google account details. If you still have the details, input them and move forward to set up your device. But if you've forgotten them, that's where the second method comes in. You will need a professional tool called PassFab Android Unlock software. This software can remove the Android lock screen, passwords, and factory reset protection. Download and install it using the links in the video description. Launch the software and you'll see the main interface. Select Remove Google FRP, choose your phone model, in this case Samsung, and then select the Android version. Click Remove Now, connect your phone with a USB cable, and the software will detect it. The Google FRP removal process will begin. Your phone may restart a few times during this process until it finishes. When the phone starts again for setup, you'll see that you can now skip the Google sign-in process and continue setting up your device. In a few seconds, you'll be back on the Android home screen. And that's how you unlock your Android phone if you've forgotten your unlock, PIN, or password. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.